Hello aspirants, as you know that CSAT has become a very critical factor in the examination because you have to first clear the prelims, only then you can write mains and reach to the other stages. And since CSAT paper has been introduced, there is a concern among the students. I have seen students scoring very good marks in general studies, but somehow because of CSAT, they lose the opportunity to write mains. There have been two types of students. First, who may not have come from the science and mathematics background, and they have their own set of problems. But the main concern is from the students who come from the science and engineering background, and the mistake which they are committing is taking CSAT for granted. Fine. So we have this paradoxical situation. I believe whenever you give any exam, nothing should be taken for granted. Everything has to be taken with the seriousness. Even leave CSAT, I have seen students failing in mains or even in their language paper. So it's very sad if because of the language paper, your marks in mains is not calculated. If because of CSAT, the entire effort goes waste. So let us not take it in a non-serious, casual manner. Neither there is a need to fear, nor there is a need for overconfidence. We have to have a very professional approach. I am glad to introduce Mr. Rishi Bhargav, the part of our CSAT team. SRIs always endeavor to get the best of the teachers for the students, and in this context, Mr. Rishi Bhargav is a well-known name. He has his own academic credentials. He is MSc in mathematics. He has even done MPhil in mathematics and has been a graduate in the management. He has a long experience of teaching for the CSAT and helping big number of students to clear the CSAT examination. His specialty includes his command over the different techniques which are required in CSAT so that you can do time management. He is also bilingual, that is an additional importance. And of course, he is well versed in the Vedic mathematics. So now I will hand it over to Mr. Rishi and he will share his views on the CSAT paper. So Mr. Rishi, I have certain questions to you. For example, still I feel the awareness among the students about the criticality of CSAT is not there. So what should be their understanding about the importance of CSAT? It is better if we give them clarity. Second thing is, how should we go about the preparation of CSAT? What the students from non-science background and the students from science background, how they should approach this paper. Yeah.
Thank you so much. My greetings to all of you. My name is Rishi Bhargava, and let's talk about why CSAT is really important. Now you have to understand that this paper is actually one full paper, and though it is a qualifying paper, it has become really tough. For past 3-4 years, nearly 60 to 70% students are not even able to clear CSAT. Now it is actually designed to check your IQ, to check your decision making and your reasoning skills. So all these three things are really important if you are a serious UPSC aspirant, right? So I agree that if you are preparing well for CSAT, it automatically prepares you really well for all other government jobs such as state civil service examination, or maybe SSC, or maybe bank PO, or maybe insurance. So I think preparing well for CSAT actually is a real big advantage. And as far as if you check out what exactly now CSAT has turned into, you realize that when they started, there was 50% questions from English and 50% from mental ability. Now it has turned out that nearly 75 to 80% questions, they come from mental ability and data interpretation, and nearly 20-25% questions would come from reading comprehension. So I realize that this paper has actually become really important in terms of UPSC aspirants clearing this paper. Now please realize that there are people, those who are not able to even clear this paper with 33% margin. So believe me, preparing for CSAT is actually really important, right? Anything?
Yeah. So, can you please tell, like, uh, what is the difficulty level of CSAT examination as far as this particular examination is concerned? Because I feel either students start preparing to the level of CAT or other examinations, or they overlook the seriousness of it. So what is the difficulty level and which type of preparation is required, and how your classes help students to gain the necessary confidence in the paper? And if you can highlight some of your teaching techniques also.
Sure. See, to be very frank with you, when we talk about CSAT, all of you are very relevant with social media. So this year, 2021, when the exam was there, so social media was trending with CSAT is tougher than CAT. So you realize that they have started this being a rejection paper, not a selection paper. Try to understand, this has become more of a rejection paper, not a selection paper. So when you are appearing for this paper, you have to be very serious to analyze the paper and do it well. Now, as far as questions are concerned, now it's a real surprise that first few years they did a lot of figures and a lot of geometry, and for last 3-4 years they are into more of decision making, they are more of into numbers. So 3 years back people used to ask us, sir, why we are doing numbers. Now today they thank us that, sir, you did numbers, because they have started putting it in papers. I never thought that they would be putting remainders, divisibility rules in the paper, but they have suddenly, for past 3-4 years, have started putting it. So as far as content is concerned, I think we have devised a beautiful syllabus, right? So with us, you would have 150 hours of classes with the 120 hours of quant, that is quantitative aptitude, reasoning. Reasoning involves picture reasoning, puzzles, analytical reasoning, arrangements, data sufficiency, and then data interpretation. Now, if you check out paper of 2016, you would realize that most of the paper was data interpretation, right? So it has 120 hours of a portion where people actually find it very difficult, right? And then we have devised 30 hours of English, which majorly right now is reading comprehension. But again, this is something we comprehend. We just don't know what they are going to put it next, right? So I think as a student and as a good aspirant, you need good 150 hours of classes for CSAT, right? And after 150 hours of classes, we have one advantage with us over here at Subramanian classes, and that is that we would always give you a problem solving faculty. See, the whole issue with CSAT is not only classes. Issue is that an arts background student or a commerce background student or a weak student has a very big problem that they are not able to solve questions. So what advantage we are giving you is that you can come anytime and sit with a problem solving faculty and get your problems solved. So this is one advantage. Generally it is not available anywhere. You have a lots of classes going on, but what about solving? Now, I must tell you, there is a lot of difference between preparing for GS, that is general study paper, and CSAT. Once you are preparing for GS, you make notes and you allocate time that this is a portion I'll do for geography, this is for economics. But with CSAT, you just cannot do it. It is practice. So if you are practicing, you need that kind of help, sir. I am not able to solve these 4 questions. So who is going to solve it? A problem solving faculty is going to solve it. So this is the way we go about CSAT, right?
Means that the program includes a sort of a mentorship, looking at the specific needs of the students so that we can help them to bring at par with the level which is required by UPSC. So I hope that you will be benefited with his experience and with his expertise. Wishing you all the best, and again, don't take any part of the examination casually. We have to take each and every segment of the examination very professionally. For details, you can visit our website. Thank you, all of you.
My greetings, can I say?
Yeah, just.
So thank you so much. My greetings to you. I can only say one thing: CSAT nahi rukega, right? Please come, join us, and you would feel the difference. Thank you so much.